Have you ever wondered why your PC feels slower even when nothing's running on the screen? No heavy apps, no open tabs, but something invisible is silently draining its speed in the background. What if the real culprit isn't what you can see, but what you can't? Hidden trackers, silent malware, and rogue files hijacking your system without a trace. In this video, I will show you two powerful tools I personally trust, completely free, no sign up, no gimmicks, that scan deep into your system and wipe out the invisible threat slowing you down. Let's start with HitmanPro, a powerful second opinion scanner that's designed to catch what your regular antivirus misses. Open any browser of your choice and search HitmanPro. Click on the official site and go to the section that says Remove Malware with HitmanPro. Now you will see two download options, 64-bit and 32-bit. So download the right version according to your system architecture. Now save it whatever you want. And run the file. No installation needed. Now click Next. And HitmanPro immediately starts scanning your system for hidden threats. The time depends on your PC. If you have never done this before, it might take a while. But trust me, it's worth it. It hunts down deep-rooted malware, tracking cookies, PUPs, and even stealthy trojans. If no threats are found, like in my case here, you are clean. But that doesn't mean you are safe forever. Malware often slips in silently. If HitmanPro does detect something, it will show you a list. Just click Next again, and it will quarantine and delete every single infected file. That's it. No sign up, no payment, just unlock the cleanup features. First, open your browser. And search for Malwarebytes. Click the official link malwarebytes.com and download the free version. Now save it whatever you want. Once downloaded, double click on it and run the installer. Now follow the steps to install. Click Install. Now click on Personal. Then click Next. This tool is great for catching spyware and junk apps that eat your system resources. Please be patient until it is installed. After installation, open Malwarebytes. Click Scanner option. Now click on the Scan button. Malwarebytes will begin scanning your system for malware, trojans, spyware, etc. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes. But if your PC is infected, you will see a list of threats once the scan completes. So be patient and let it finish. If Malwarebytes detect threats, simply click Quarantine to safely isolate and remove them. These files will be blocked from running again. Run HitmanPro weekly as a second opinion check and keep Malwarebytes installed for occasional deep scans. This combo keeps your PC clean even if your main antivirus misses something. And that's how you remove hidden threats you didn't even know existed with just two amazing free tools. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more quick tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.